All right, what's up guys? I'm Michael, Earth Motorcars. Behind us, we're gonna showcase the 67 Camaro, finished in butternut yellow. As you can see, it is a convertible. This thing is restored and a perfect driver car. We're gonna start showing you under the hood. It's got a 327 small block V8. It's got polished valve covers, Edelbrock intake, Summit Racing heads, power steering, perfect driver car. You'll see it's beautifully badged as an SS. A lot of guys will change out this motor for a larger one, but it's already there if you need it. Got these BF Goodwrench radial tires sitting on the rally style wheels with the polished lip. You'll see it's got the 327 badging as well there. Coming around to the trunk, you'll see nicely finished. All the chrome has been polished as well. I'll show you back here. Freshly carpeted. You got your spare. This thing's ready to hit the road. It's got updated suspension. Check out the interior, reupholstered seats. Door cards are clean, fresh carpet. 67 was a good year for Chevy. This was the year they responded to the Ford Mustang, and this was their answer, which set the pace for the market. This one's the automatic transmission. It's got the center console gauges as well, but pretty much all original there. Just a beautiful example of a car. It's online for $64,990, so only 65 grand. You can grab yourself a 67 Camaro, and these things are only going up in value. So if you got the time, you got the money, it's a good investment, and you can pick it up here at earthmotorcars.com. All right, guys, let's take it for a spin. Fire it up. Turns over like a charm. You'll see it's also got the Kenwood radio there, so you can do your Bluetooth or your standard radio. Power steering is nice. It's got speakers put in, so. All right guys, this thing's even got a leather upholstered dash. It's got your windshield wipers. It's got everything you would need to daily drive this if you really wanted to, but super comfortable. I'm obviously a taller guy, but you can change out tilt steering wheel, change out the steering wheel. I mean, there's just so many things you can do with this car that are only gonna make it go up in value. But 67 Camaro, first year of these things, and what else can you say? Just a beautiful looking V8. Last but not least, guys, this even comes with the original 1967 owner's manual from Chevy. Super cool to have. But for 65 grand, you can pick this car up here at earthmotorcars.com. It's ready to roll, so do yourself a favor and come grab this thing.